today I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how you can get free Dogecoin right now. And it doesn't matter either you're using a laptop or a mobile phone, you can do this right away. And I'm not stopping at that. I'll also show you how you can convert your Dogecoin into your local currency. Either you are living in a country where cryptocurrency is banned or not, I'm going to show you this. So if this is what will interest you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel I talk about cryptocurrency, making money on the internet, and how to monetize your knowledge. All right, welcome to the practical aspect of this video. As you can see right now, it's around 4 a.m. that I'm filming this, because as of when I'm supposed to film this particular video, my son had an injury, so I have to put everything aside and attend to him. So for us to, but he's much better now, he's fine. And this video is going to be a lengthy one. It's like a mini course, and I sacrificed a lot for this, so kindly be patient and watch it step by step. It means a lot to me for me to be able to create this time, edit, film, and edit this video. It really means a lot to me. So kindly don't just click out, watch till the end so that you'll be able to earn free Dogecoin. So for us to be able to get this free Doge, these are the things we are going to need. So in the description of this video, I dropped the link to all the apps and what you need to do. So the first with me right here is Faucet Play. Then the second is either Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, but I love using Binance, most especially if you are in a country that cryptocurrency is banned. Then the third is you need this free Doge. All right, so the first you need to do, you are going to click right here, this Faucet Play, and sign up. So once you click on this link, it will bring you to a place like this. Then you are going to input your username, your email address. You repeat your email address, and you are going to put your password and repeat the password, and you click I accept, and I am a human. All right, and then click on this sign up. So the moment you click on sign up, they are going to send you email. So you go to your email. That is why you always make sure you are using the email that is active. So you will receive an email like this one, and when you click on it, you click on authorize. All right, so that when you click that, you will be able to activate your email address. Once you activate again, they are going to send you another email address with two-way factor. You are going to input that, and once that is done, you will be able to successfully create a Faucet Pay. So once you have created your Faucet Pay, the second thing you need to do is to have a crypto wallet that you'll be able to convert your money into, which is, in this case, we are going to be using Binance. So all you need to do is go to the link of this video again and click on Binance if you don't have a Binance account, or if you have a Trust wallet, or you have a KuCoin or Coinbase, any of it can go. So in this case, we are using Binance. So if you don't have Binance account, you click on this link and sign up. Put your email address, put your password, and confirm it just the way you do in Faucet Play. So once you have your Faucet Play account and you have a Binance account, the next thing is you need to click on this free Doge. So there are a lot of websites out there that have free Doge, but you need to come and click on this link, please, because this is the one that I know that is verified. If you use other free Doge, if you go googling free Doge, you might land in a place that after you have earned, you will not be able to withdraw your money. So this is highly important. You click on this free Doge and you sign up. Okay, once you click on it, you input your email address, you create a password at the same time, please. And at this point, I have to let you know this. Please, when you are doing anything on the internet, stop using the same passwords over and over again. By so doing, if anybody hack your or have access to your phone or all this, they will be able to wipe it away everything. And secondly, don't use your phone number or your birthday to create a password. Always ensure you have complicated password that you have written down and save it in a safe place. Okay, so once you have created your free Doge account, all you need to do is to be mining your free Doge. So all I'm going to be doing right here, as you can see right here, but I've removed, I think I've withdrawn about 118 Doge. Is right here in my Binance. So if you come to this free Doge, all you need to do to be gaining free Doge is just to enter this captcha code here. So watch me do this. This is BQBUEM. So I will now click on roll. All right, have you seen? So I've earned 0.06 Doge, and in after every 1 hour. So the more you come and just enter this captcha, the more you'll be earning free Doge, and you can earn up to, like, from the start you can be earning like this 0.06. You can be earning up to, as you can see, 141, and here even 1,415 Doge. Yes, it is possible. A lot of people are doing it. So when you hear people are mining free crypto, they are mining free this, you are earning, people are earning Dogecoin, they are mining Bitcoin. This is what they do. So this one is Dogecoin. So that is how you mine. So after mining, how do you now withdraw your money? All right. So the next thing you need to do, that is why that's why I show you to create the faucet pay account, and at the same time create a Binance account, so that you'll be able to successfully withdraw your money. So once you have mined and you have earned up to 100 Doge, you'll be able to withdraw it. And this is possible. So you can even put your alarm on your phone. After every 1 hour you come in and mine, and the mining is just you putting this code and roll. That is just what you needed. Then the next thing you need to do, you are going to withdraw. Click on withdraw right here, and this can be done on your mobile phone. So I'm just using laptop because it's going to be faster somehow for me right now, and I'm using my phone. My camera, my ring light has issue right now. Okay, so what the next thing you need to do is to click on withdraw. All right, and when you click on withdraw, you just enter the amount, and they are going to charge you 2 Doge. All right, and then you click I'm not a robot and withdraw. Okay, but for you to withdraw your Doge, when you click on withdraw, for you to be able to withdraw, you are going to link your account. Okay, you are going to link your faucet account. All you need to do is to go to your, you need to click that. If you want to change your withdrawal address, go to your profile. So you need to change your withdrawal address for you to be able to withdraw. So you click on here, click change the withdrawal address. So right here you are going to go to your faucet play and get your wallet ID and paste here. So once you put your wallet ID, you can come back to withdraw, and it will go direct to your faucet play. It's the easier way, right? So, and this is not the only way you can earn on this free Doge. Another way is multiply, but I don't recommend this. This multiply is like you playing the little Doge you have gained. You can use it to play and gamble and play a game. You can multiply it by betting, but if you bet and lose, that means you might lose your entire money that you have earned. So but there are people that do betting, and they bet and they multiply it. That's another way. Another way again you can earn more is by you not withdrawing your money. If you leave it here, it keep growing. All right, you'll be gaining interest. There are people that even buy Dogecoin from other wallets, and they will bring it here, and they keep on earning, because once you are leaving your Dogecoin here, they multiply it for you. You gain interest, just like you saving your money or staking or something of that nature. Another way again, there is even this lottery. Another way again you can earn is by referral. Okay, you can also advertise on your Facebook page and all this. You can get your right here. If you click right here, you copy your referral link and share with people on WhatsApp. You can share with people on Facebook. That do you know that you can get free Dogecoin by simply registering with this link? And you might not be able to be someone that can create video like this. You can share with my video. You can say click on this link and sign up. Follow this particular video. You will be able to see how to sign up, or you can even just type step by step, just this step that you see. You can click create a post step by step. This is what to do, this is what you need to do, this is what you need to do, and people will sign up, and you'll be able to earn free Doge. So now that you have earned your free Doge and you have sent it to your wallet address, which is faucet pay. So the next thing is, let me go to my faucet pay dashboard, right? This is my faucet pay dashboard. Okay, so let me, okay, this is my faucet pay dashboard. So the next thing I'll do is I will click on withdrawal. All right, but for me to be able to withdraw on faucet pay, there are two ways. Okay, one, there is normal withdrawal, which will take you 4 hours for the money to reflect in your Binance account, or priority withdrawal, which will take you 5 minutes for the money to reflect in your account. So if you are doing it free, you need to go for the normal, because they are not going to charge you fee. Okay, they are not going to charge you much. Highest maybe they'll charge you 1 doge or something, or even 0.00. But if you go for the priority withdrawal, they will charge you higher fee, but your money will land immediately within 5 minutes, in fact within few seconds. All right, so how do you now withdraw your money from faucet pay to your Binance, so that you'll be able to send it to your account, local bank accounts, if you are in a country where cryptocurrency is not banned? And if you are in a country where cryptocurrency is banned, like my country right here in Nigeria, you need to now transfer it to your Binance and then use pay to pay, so that the money will land in your bank account. So I just, as I've said, towards the end of last year, I said this is not the time you can afford to say I'm not techie, and please, this is doable. My son of 12 years plus, he will soon clock 13 now, he is able to do this. So just pay attention. If you are confused at any point, kindly take your time and rewatch it. Okay, so if you have not liked this video yet, kindly do so, because this is so important, highly important for me to wake up by this time filming this video. That's to show you how important you are to me and how important this channel is to me. So right here, what you need to do for you to withdraw this money from your faucet pay, you need to click right here, and choose Doge. All right, and here is because I have already link my address, so yours will not show this. So the next thing you need to do, you now go to your Binance. Okay, so right here, let me go to my Binance and go to my wallet. Right, so I'll go to my wallet on Binance, and then I will be able to copy my Dogecoin wallet on Binance. So how do I do that? I'll just scroll right here. Here is my Dogecoin. So I will now click on deposit. When I click on deposit, I would see, it will ask me which network am I using. So I'm using Doge. All right, so this network is very important. Okay, you can change it. If you are using Binance BEP2, you click on BEP2. If you are choosing BEP20, click on BEP20. So if you are using Doge, you click on Doge. There are different network fee, because if you make a mistake of choosing a different network fee here, choosing a different network here, and you go and choose a different network in faucet pay, your money will move, but it will not enter your account, and that's how you will lose everything. So this is important, please. So I'll click on the wallet address right here and go back to my faucet pay. Right, so and now click on link here. When I click on link, I will now paste this address that I have copied. If I paste it here, please, this is highly important, come to this coin and change it again to Dogecoin. Okay, because if you didn't change it, your money would not appear there. So you click on link. So the moment I click on link, if I now click on withdrawal, okay, so whenever I click on withdrawal, I'll now come here again. Once I click on Doge, it will appear. Okay, so I will now put my amount. I'll click on all if I want to receive all. Okay, it will show me the network fee, and it will show me how much I will receive, and I'll click on place withdrawal. So once I click on place withdrawal, I will wait within 4 hours, sometimes in less than an hour even, it will land in my Binance. So now, if it has come right here to my Binance, please, if you have not liked this video, kindly do so. Please, it's highly important, and this year I'm going to be showing you a lot of ways you can be earning cryptocurrency on this channel. All right, so now that you have come to a Binance, what do you need to do when your money has appeared in your account as Doge? Okay, what do you need to do? You can sell it, right, or you can convert it. So if you are in a country where cryptocurrency is not banned, all you need to do is click on withdraw. Okay, you can click on withdraw, or you can click on sell. Okay, so but if you are in a country like mine, so we use peer-to-peer trading. Okay, and for you to sell your cryptocurrency on a peer-to-peer, you can use any of the, all right, let me wait 2 3 seconds so that okay, so all you need to do, I'll click on this sell right here. But for if you want to really sell it fast, because there's possibility that when you come to say sell, there might not be people that want to buy Doge. So what me I do is I convert it. Okay, I convert my Doge to the USDT. USDT is a stable coin that almost everybody buy in order to use it to now sell or convert it to, or buy a particular cryptocurrency that they want. So right here on my, so right here, if I go back, all I need to do, instead of saying sell, okay, instead of me saying sell, I will just go to my wallet and then Dogecoin and now convert it to USDT. Okay, I know at this point it might be sounding confusing to you. Please don't be confused. It's doable. Just pay attention. I keep on saying this. This is not the time you can afford to say I am not taking. You have to learn this. The world is moving from this normal one we are complaining that we are not taking to a meta verse. So I keep on wondering, if you are complaining of things like this, what will not happen when it go to meta completely, where people will be moving from right here, you appear in another world and be doing things. Okay, please, this is doable. Don't complain. Give me a like. So all you need to do is to click on this convert. Okay, click on convert and then convert the Doge coin. Right here, you convert it from what? From Doge. So click right, instead of this USDT, click it to Doge. Okay, let me just click right, type Doge. Okay, Doge is here, and then I'll now click it that I want to convert it from Doge to USDT. So once you convert your money from Doge to USD, you enter the amount that you want to convert, so that it will be easier for you to use peer-to-peer. Okay, so that it will be easier for you to use peer-to-peer, to be able to convert your money. And how do I use peer-to-peer? Peer-to-peer, I know a lot of people will say it's risky, but this is what we do in Nigeria. Okay, this is how we do it in Nigeria. So I'll just click on peer-to-peer and I'll click on sell. So when I click on sell, I will just get my amount and sell it. So, and if you are using mobile phone, I'm going to link the video right here. It's even easier when you come to Binance. I find it's even more easier with mobile phone. So all this, how to sign up on Binance and all this is already on this channel, and I'm going to link all the video on Binance and different cryptocurrency, how to sign up, how to buy, how to sell, how to trade cryptocurrency with your mobile phone. If you watch it, if you feel this one is a bit techy for you, especially this explanation that I did on Binance, you can simply go and click this particular video. I'm going to link it up, all right, and you'll be able to just do this for as easy as ABC, all right, even if you don't have a laptop, because I just find it easy screen recording on my laptop right now, considering that it will soon be 5 a.m. that I will start cooking for my children. So I decided to use my laptop. So if you have any question, please ask in the comment section of the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Thank you so much for 12,000 subscribers. We are really growing, and I don't take that for granted. Thank you so much. And my son, of course, he's doing much better. So drop a thoughtful comment in the comment section. All the link to the videos I mentioned that can help you on how to buy, how to sell, how to trade. In fact, if you don't even know anything about cryptocurrency, I have a video understanding cryptocurrency, so that you will know what it's all about and how to earn. And again, I am making another video on how to do airdrop. I don't know if you don't know what is airdrop. Airdrop is another way you can be earning free cryptocurrency. So if you want to learn, or if you want me to film a video explaining to you, that one is much more easier than this. Explain to you how you can be earning airdrop, free cryptocurrency in your account. Kindly comment free crypto. Okay, just comment free crypto or comment airdrop. So until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day, and I hope that a lot of you will be able to earn this free Doge.